We have reached a point into our math drills where we got to long division by 2-digit divisor, and we are at home. You may not have the racks and tubes materials as we are practicing. That's the material we use for long division in a Montessori environment. But guess what? You have plenty already of practice with division board, with racks and tubes. You know your times tables, you know multiples of numbers, and we are going to use all that into our abstract equations. I have recorded my long division for 1519 divided by 19. You can organize yourself on a page like this, and at the bottom of the page I like to write the multiples of number 19 because those are going to help me know what my quotient will turn into. What am I sharing? What my sharing will be. So at the bottom I will be writing multiples of number 19, and the multiples of number 19 are 19 times 1, that's 19, 19 times 2, 38, 19 times 3, 57, 19 times 4, oops, I might have to work that out, 9 times 4, 36, so that's going to be 76, 19 times 5, it's going to have a 5 at the end, that's 95, 19 times 6, that's going to be a 6, 9 times 6, 54, 114, 19 times 7, that's going to be in the hundreds. Let's see, that's 133, 19 times 8, and this might take a while to practice, but it's good multiplication practice. 152, 9 times 9, I'm still not going to go into the 200s. 19 times 9, 81, 171. And you're more than welcome, and don't be shy to use the calculator to check the multiples of numbers before you start working on the equation. I'm going to just check few, like 19 times 4. You can check all of them. 76. 19 times 9, 171. Oops. 171. Once that I check, I'm ready to put my calculator away. And I'm going to be using those multiples of numbers. When I look at my dividend, I'm going to break my dividend into what I know already. 45 divided by 19. I might not know that. But I'm going to look at 45. It's a multiple of 19. And it is not. So I am going to use my closest multiples. 38 or 57. 57 is greater than 45. I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to use 38. So 19 times 2, it's 38. That's a share of 2. There's going to be a share of 2. And I'm going to be taking away 38. That's going to be 50 minus 7. So in racks and tubes and in division, I'm going to exchange the 7 to the tens place. So I'm going to have 71 of them. I'm going to bring the 1 down. 71 again, I'm looking, nope, not a multiple of number 19, but 76 is, well, that's 71, it's less than 76, 76 too much. So I'm going to go with the 57 with a share of 19 times 3 is 57, so a share of 3. Taking away 57. That's going to be 14. I'm going to pay close attention to my partial remainder to always make sure it's less than my divisor. Otherwise, I will have to share one more time, so that looks good. I'm bringing the 9 down. I have 149. Closest multiple of 19, it's 133, so that's going to be a share of 7. I take away 133. and my remainder is 16. Let me check. 16 is less than 17. Looks good. I will go ahead and check using the calculator. I'm going to use the opposite operation, multiplication, to check my division, and by saying my quotient 237 times my divisor should give me something really close to my dividend. I'm missing my remainder, so I'm adding plus 16. That's going to be 4,519. That is my dividend. So I can conclude that 4,519 divided by 19 equals 237 with a remainder of 19. I will follow up with a lesson on checking all your operations with using inverse operations. Enjoy your long division with 2-digit divisor, and don't get shy to practice to check your multiples. It's going to help you out, and I can't wait to see your equations.